In this video, I'll show you how to install this Bemis metal hinge toilet seat on this toilet. So let's get started. Once you take it out of the box, you should see some attachments in a plastic bag. Right here, like this. Just to make sure that you got everything that you need before starting, you got these big long attachments here, the smaller one and this metal things, and the manual, obviously. They will also tell you that you need 1/2 inch wrench here or a 13mm socket. Just like this one over here. Now you're gonna take this metal thing and you're gonna screw it into the hinges of the toilet seat with your fingers. You don't need any tools at this step. Okay, once it's tight enough, do the same thing on the other side. You just have to turn it clockwise until you can't turn it anymore. Like this. Now go back and take this attachment here and you'll need to insert it with the top part being the largest one, like this. Okay, so insert the top part first and then you'll just have to push it all the way in. And how do you do this? Put a finger on each side and press at the same time. I think this is the easiest way I found out. And as always, do the same thing on the other hinge. Insert it and then press it with your 2 fingers until it sits flat there. Now you'll have to bring this toilet seat to the toilet and insert the metal rods on each side into the 2 holes, like this and like this. And by the way, it's perfectly normal that it doesn't fit completely in at this step. Now you'll have to take these parts over here, and by the way, you probably noticed this is another toilet. I decided to install it with one that has a bidet attachment, and if you have one like this, you just have to install it the same way I showed you previously. Nothing is different. Okay, so take these and you see there's an arrow pointing up. Well, you'll need to insert it this way. And now just screw it clockwise with your fingers. At this point, we don't need any tool. Screw it until you can't screw it anymore when you feel a resistance. Like this. It doesn't go more than this. And do the same thing on the other side. Once you're done, just make sure that the toilet seat is aligned properly, that is in the position that you want it to stay, because now we're going to use the tool here, the 13mm socket, to tighten it completely so it won't move anymore. You see here there is this part at the end of it that is supposed to detach when it's tight enough. This is perfectly normal that it breaks off at the end. Don't worry about that. It means you did a great job. Now, unfortunately, my camera stopped working and I didn't notice, so I took this footage from Bemis website just to show you how the tip of this plastic thing should break up when it's tight enough. Do the same on the other side and you're completely done. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and I will see you in the next one.